Your clothing brand will never grow, even though it's actually dope, if you don't understand the advanced level intellectual concepts I'm gonna share with you in this video. I'm gonna share with you some nerdy shit that's going to be so much better than all of those other videos on YouTube of guys langing piles of orders looking cool that aren't sharing any real game. Now really quickly, who am I? I've done over $1 million in online sales for my own brand. I've been in this space for 10 years and I've worked with over 500 clothing brands one-on-one. Just lay back, give me 10 to 15 minutes of your time that I know is valuable, and I promise that by the end of this video, you're gonna gain such a rare level of understanding around this that literally only 1% of clothing brand owners ever achieve. All right, so for every clothing brand watching this, I'm not sure if you have a brand yet, or if you're thinking about running one, or if you've already been running one for a long time. It doesn't matter. This is going to apply to you. But most brands that watch this, I'm assuming you already have a sick brand. Like, you've got a good idea, you've got a good website, you've got good products, all the designs look really good. And most brands that have been running for a while and not getting results think that they have a brand problem. They think that there's something wrong with their website or the way that their brand is coming across, when in reality, most brands don't know it, but they have an entrepreneur problem. They themselves are the reason why their brand isn't growing. It's not getting any views on social media. They're not getting the exposure that they need to get the sales that they're looking for. And this is a really harsh reality. I know some of you might click off of this because it hurts the ego too much to really realize this. And I've had to go through this process multiple times myself on my own clothing brand journey. But the entrepreneur problem is where you as the entrepreneur aren't showing up regularly enough, you're not being consistent enough, and your inability to do this is the problem, and it's why your clothing brand won't grow even though you've got a dope brand. Now, it might be the case that your brand actually isn't that good, and on your website things are kind of screwed up and your designs aren't very good and your brand concept kind of sucks. But from my experience working with over 500 clothing brands one-on-one that come to me looking for advice on how to improve, most of the time they've got a pretty sick brand that they've developed. And the issue is more of an entrepreneur problem. It's a personal problem that they need to get to the root issue of and solve. And so I'm gonna nerd out here and introduce you to a concept that you've probably never heard of called default mode network suppression. Default mode network suppression is a real term in neuroscience. You can chat GPT the crap out of this. And it's not some pop psychology term, but your default mode network suppression. Let me break this down for you because it's gonna completely open your eyes to all of the issues and all of the real reasons why your clothing brand isn't growing. This default mode network is a network of brain regions in your brain that become most active when you're not engaged in a task. If you've ever heard of the saying, the idle mind is the devil's playground, this is what it's referring to. When you're not engaged in tasks, when you're not taking action, the default mode network switches on and it completely takes up all of your mental bandwidth and keeps you stuck so that you can't take action. You're too focused on things like self-referential thinking. What does this say about me? Future projections. What if this fails? Past replays. Thinking about all the embarrassment or the times that you tried and it didn't work. Narrative construction. Oh, what does this say about my journey in life and where I'm at the age that I'm at? And social evaluation. How am I being perceived? And honestly, even when I come on to shoot videos like this, being vulnerable with you for a second, my default mode network is running me. I'm not in a place yet of taking action and getting outside of my head and just getting things done. But when I'm shooting these videos, it's a constant just taking action over and over again, and it's suppressing this default mode network that is really the thinking mind that people complain about all the time. For my clothing brand K-Bud that's gotten millions and millions of views on social media, whether that's Instagram or TikTok, 6.5 million, 1.4 million, 1.1 million, I'm less proud about those videos because I was already in a flow state, I was already in momentum cranking out videos, and I'm way more proud of my ability to keep shooting videos even when I was only getting 100 views, 50 views, 200 views on my videos, because that's when you're in the trenches and that's when it's hardest to keep pushing out content, to trust the process and stick to a system even when you're not getting those results. And I honestly believe that most brand owners stay stuck and don't do this, not because they're incapable of it, not because they're lazy, but just simply because they don't know that they're stuck in this default mode network and it's just holding them back. They're caught up in these negative loops, they're thinking too much, and they're not in an action-taking paradigm. There are two completely different paradigms that you can be operating within. You can be operating within the thinking paradigm, where you're sitting around thinking all day, and you can be operating within the action-taking paradigm, which is basically what I'm in right now as this video is taking place. Don't get me wrong, thinking and action are equally important, but thinking is what steers the ship. Okay, you need to be going in the right direction. This is things like getting your brand concept right, actually thinking through your target audience, making sure that you have a brand that makes sense. In order to actually get this ship to move to where you want to go, you have to take action and you have to be consistent with it. And this is where 99% of brands fall off. And to go even a layer deeper, the reason why most brands fall off here is because it's the default to be in this over-analyzing thinking state. So it's a lot easier to be thinking about your brand concept, figuring out all of the target audience stuff, than it is to be taking action shooting videos or taking action marketing or doing photo shoots and actually pushing your brand out there and doing the actual tasks. So this might be a little bit weird to say, but you watching this video right now are likely in default mode network. You're not necessarily in a massive action-taking momentum state. And that's totally fine, but I'm just trying to bring to your awareness and make this more clear in your awareness that there's two different paradigms that you can be existing from, and when you're taking action, all of your bandwidth gets sucked up into that action. It feels really good and you're getting things done. So before we move on here and go even deeper into this, just remember that the default mode network is a network of brain regions, mostly in your prefrontal cortex, that switches on when you're not engaged in tasks. Okay, when you're idle, when you're hesitant, when you're pausing between taking actions, when you're overly planning without taking action, and you're constantly seeking certainty before you take any action. Now, I'm gonna share with you how turning this default mode network off, learning how to take action despite having perfect planning in place, perfect confidence, knowing exactly what you're gonna do, and just taking action over and over again will completely transform your business. I'm gonna show you how to do that and relate it back to the clothing brand space and my own brand in a second. But really quickly, if you need designs for your brand, I wanna let you know about the sponsor of this channel, design.com. Pop open a new tab, go to design.com/Rob88. Type in whatever sick idea you have for a design, hit enter. Thousands of designs are gonna pop up based on your idea. And you don't have to like all of them, but maybe you like one of them. You can click on it and edit it and refine it as long as you want for free until it's perfect. If you need designs made for your brand, I highly recommend that you try this out. Just go to design.com/Rob88 and you'll get 88% off at checkout. So it's kind of funny how the times when I've gotten the best results for my clothing brand have been when I was taking the most amount of action. Like I just was posting 3 times a day for 6 months. I had these systems in place. Isn't that shocking? That's when all of a sudden everything started crushing for me? Or when I lost the most amount of weight and became the leanest I've ever been in the gym was when I just stopped overthinking it and I just put my shoes on, went to the gym and did it, and I just ate the right things and took the right actions. Well, every time that you're doing that, you're suppressing your default mode network and you're in an action-taking paradigm. And I know you're watching this thinking, yeah, I could probably be taking more action. I just know that that's a thought that you're likely having. And I know that because that's a human problem. It's not you, okay? This isn't a personality flaw that you have. It's not some issue with you. It's a network dominance problem that exists in human beings when they don't understand universal principles of life and what they need to do to become successful. Because in a state of nature, when we were hunter and gatherers, action was pulled out of us. We had to hunt in order to eat food and stay alive. So we were constantly in this action state. We were never just sitting around idle for weeks at a time, not doing anything, just overthinking and not taking any action. But now that I've hopefully updated your software and the way that you're thinking about all of this, you're able to see that this is so much easier than you think it is. It's almost too easy when you think about it. All you need to do is just recognize that I'm not taking enough action, then just stop overthinking it and just do things. And so I want to share with you how exactly to turn off this default mode network super easily so that you're just crushing it and constantly taking action. The biggest thing in all of this, I believe, is just physical movement. Like before I shoot these videos, I'm so stuck in my head and I'm honestly kind of worried about how it's going to go. I hope I do a really good job. I hope this video gets a lot of views. I'm so worried about what people think and that I need to get my views up and all these things in my head. and I can get really bogged down by all of that, okay? The first thing that I do before I shoot a video like this, just to put content out, or for my other brand, is I just get outside my own head. I start talking, I start rambling, I start just doing things, anything, and that automatically starts shutting down that default mode network, and it gets me more into this action-taking paradigm. So this is really subtle. I'm getting into the nuances now, but the actions that you're taking, they don't fight the thoughts that you're having, they just outcompete them. Because when you're trying to take action and you're focused on a task, it just requires naturally more bandwidth, and your brain will just give you more bandwidth to get those tasks done and to focus on them. And when you take action like shooting content for your brand, your focus shifts outward on what you're doing. All your cognitive resources are reallocated on the task at hand that you're doing. All this self-referential processing drops, and your inner narrator just loses its priority, because when you're taking action, this default mode network of overthinking cannot stay dominant when execution of what you're doing requires all of your mental bandwidth. This is why thinking harder always fails. Trying to think your way out of overthinking just keeps this default mode network active. It's a feedback loop. This is why new insights that you gain doesn't create momentum, other than maybe this specific insight that I'm sharing with you, talking about it all. Planning all of the time doesn't create confidence, because you develop confidence through the actions that you're taking and the results that you're getting from those actions. And all the motivation in the world still won't remove your fear. Only task engagement, being engaged in a task, suppresses this default mode network reliably. So anytime you're stuck in your thoughts, anytime you're overthinking, overanalyzing, just over-planning, over-strategizing, recognize that you're in this default mode network and just start taking action to get things done. Actually take action and recognize that the only way that you're going to get results with your business, get this thing moving, get those real results, is through consistent action taking over and over and over again. And if you're one of the few entrepreneurs that actually does this, your results are going to be 10 times million better than everybody else who's just stuck in this paradigm. So if you've got a dope brand over there, you likely don't need better thoughts. You're probably super smart, especially if you've watched this video to the end. This isn't a concept that some ding-dong's gonna watch and really get some value out of if they can't process this stuff. You need to be pretty smart in order to understand this universal principle of life that I'm sharing with you. But recognize that you don't need better thoughts. You need to switch networks. And the only way for you to switch networks, to get things actually done for your brand, is to take action. Now I'm focused on building 1% brands that get the top 1% results, that are taking actions that only the top 1% do. And I've just completely rebuilt the community for this YouTube channel. I've lowered the price. I've made it so much more affordable. Check it out. If you want to work closer with me and a cool, chill group of brand owners that are just constantly talking about what's working and growing our brands together, check it out. There's a link in the description. The price is super affordable now, and it's only going to be like that for a limited time likely. So get in at that lower price, and I'd love to see you inside, chat about your brand, talk about what's going on, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. Hit the like button. Let me know what you think about it all in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.